Hi, kids. Have you ever seen a bunny? I mean, a real bunny? I have. I met Snowflake yesterday. She was so beautiful. She has a really long fur, longer than Minette's, and her ears are huge. Did you know that a bunny's big ears aren't just for listening? They're also to help regulate its body temperature. The ear's blood vessels swell when it's hot outside and contract when it's cold. And those amazing ears can also be rotated almost a full circle to 270 degrees. What? I can only rotate mine 180 degrees. Have you tried rotating your ears? I'm pretty sure humans can only wiggle their ears. Try it. Okay, enough with the ear wiggling. Let's draw her. Okay, I like to start with the head. And Snowflake is very fluffy. So, just like to give her extra texture in her fur. Just like that. And then we'll draw her eyes. She has nice big round eyes. Like most bunnies. And a cute little nose. And she's always smiling. Okay, the ears they're really fun because they're really big and floppy and you can just really make them larger than life. Nice. Let's do the chest, which is always so furry. Now the back leg. She has big thumpers. And then the front legs like this. And we add the last leg, put some texture in there, and then the signature bunny tail. And now let's color her in white. We'll do inside the ears in pink, just like the nose. And we add her carrot birthmark, of course. There, yes, that's it. That's Snowflake the bunny. I'm gonna give this one to Minette. She got on really well with her. She'll love it. See you soon, Macaroon.